Hello, kids! Let's learn some new colors today. Here's red. R E D Red. Now, let's see blue. B L U E Blue. Next is yellow. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Here comes green. G R E E N. Green. Now let's look at orange. O R A N G E. Orange. Next, it's pink. P I N K. Pink. Here's purple. P U R P L E. Purple. And finally, brown. B R O W N. Brown. Let's add black. B L A C K. Black. And here's gray. G R A Y. Gray. Great job, kids! Today we learned the colors: red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, and gray. JD's Learning Crew.